Hello, beautiful people of the internet. Let's cook again, and today it's adobong manok in kamatis. Let's start with sauteing our garlic, onion, ginger, and lemongrass in olive oil. And then after that, we add in our chicken pieces. For this cooking session, I use chicken wings, but I cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces. And then make sure that the chicken is fully cooked and there are some golden brown edges. And then after that, add in our kamatis or tomato. Yes, we're almost halfway there. Just saute it, just mix it properly. And then we add in our water and let it simmer for around 10 minutes. Because the chicken are in smaller pieces, it's easier to cook. So I don't need much longer cooking time. Yes, ayan na po. I add in the water, let it simmer, and presto! The sauce has thickened and it's almost ready. So mix lang natin siya ulit, guys. And then make sure that it dries up a little more depending on your preference. I like it a little bit more on the sticky side. And ayan na po, ready to serve na siya. Luto na. Tingnan po ninyo. That is adobo na manok in kamatis. Wala pong soya sauce yan, guys. The color is like that kasi nga of the kamatis.